Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of unit conversions, specifically grams and ounces. Are you confused about how to convert between these units? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be breaking down the conversion process step by step, and also introducing you to a handy converter that can make your life a whole lot easier. So, without further ado, let's get started. What are grams and ounces? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of conversions, let's first understand what grams and ounces are. Both of these are units of mass. Grams are used worldwide, while ounces are primarily used in the United States and the United Kingdom. 1 gram is equal to approximately 0.0352739,619 ounces. Conversely, 1 ounce is equal to 28.3495231 grams. Note that we're discussing the avoirdupois ounce here, not the troy ounce, which is used to measure the mass of precious metals like gold. How many grams in an ounce? Let's start with some examples to give you a better understanding of the conversion. 1 ounce equals 28.3495231 grams. How to convert grams to ounces? Now that you know the basic conversion rate, let's learn how to calculate grams to ounces on your own. Introducing the Oz to G converter. For those of you who prefer ready-made solutions, I have just the thing. Introducing the Oz to G converter, a free, easy-to-use application that calculates the conversion for you in seconds. All you need to do is enter the amount of ounces you want to convert, and voila! The result appears instantly. You can use it anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. FAQ. Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions. What is an Oz to G converter? It's an application that converts ounces into grams. How to use the converter? Just enter the number of ounces you want to convert, and the result will be shown in a flash. Is the converter free? Yes, it's completely free. Do I need an account to use the converter? No, you don't need an account. How many grams are in 1 ounce? 1 ounce equals 28.3495231 grams. How many ounces are in 1 gram? 1 gram equals 0.0352739,619 ounces. What is the formula to convert ounces into grams? Amount of ounces * 28.3495231 equals the result in grams. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you have all the information you need to confidently convert between grams and ounces. You can choose to use the formula and calculate the conversions yourself, or take advantage of the Oz to G converter for quick and easy results. If you have any other questions or need more clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.